So, very excited to announce that we are now carrying the Sebo Duo carpet cleaning system. It's a dry carpet cleaning system that leverages micro sponges basically to clean carpets. So Alex did an incredible job making our simplicity carpet here dirty, and to essentially demo the cleaning power of the Duo powder, we're gonna clean half of it, much in the same way that you would at home. So one of the bags of the Duo cleaning powder will do approximately 200 square feet. So we're just gonna put the powder out on the carpet, and the idea is to mix it into the carpet where the powder basically sucks up proteins, oils, you know, whatever's causing the stains. Then you mix it with the carpet brush, and that brush basically puts the powder into the carpet. We're gonna mix it until the powder's not totally visible. And it is an inert substance, and what I mean by that is it doesn't leave a residue because it breaks down into smaller and smaller particles. You'll see I'm spot cleaning a particularly heavy spot here. But when we are done and the powder has dried, we will vacuum it up. Love how quiet these units are as well. It really kind of loosens and fluffs up those carpet fibers, so you can see very clearly the difference between just the vacuum product and the cleaned product. There is a tiny little bit of kind of almost sand-like residue in there. In another hour or two, I'll vacuum it again, or like in a household, maybe you vacuum it once and then a second time just to get the last of that residue out there. But you know, the stains, Alex had poured coffee all over the carpet and then mixed it with dirt from a vacuum bag, kind of walked on it, put it outside, let it get really dirty. It really did breathe life back into it, but the before and after is very impressive there.